Boss,
What happened?
we have a big problem. You see, the workers asking for payment and some suppliers are refusing to deliver material on site.
What? But we already submit our interim claim.
Yes, based on the completed works and the material delivered on site.
We should be entitled to payment. We need to address this problem in the next meeting.
Sure.
We would like to raise an issue regarding delay payment. We have not received payment within the required period.
So the intern certificate has already been issued under the clause 28.3.
Yes, I can confirm that valuation was under clause 28.2 and the certified amount is correct.
Then the delay is from the employer.
Yes, this delay is beyond the contractor payment period.
We cannot pay subcontractor. Some work is slowing down. This will affect our progress and may delay completion.
You should entitled to the suspension of work as stated in the clause 50 suspension of work, where the SO will write a written instruction to the contractor to suspend part or all the work for the such time as specific in the instruction. However, you still entitled and you still should perform its obligation under this contract, such as obligation to maintain the insurance and the performance bond.
So I see the problem that we face. So maybe regarding to our issue, so I will write instruction regarding suspension of the work since the work need to be suspended.
We acknowledge the delay, but we request the contractor to continue the work while we resolve this issue.
With respect, we cannot continue without payment. This is affecting our financial stability.
From contractual perspective, failure to pay within the clause 28.6 is considered a breach of contract.
So I see what the problem that we face. This considered as a breach of contract. So we need to discuss the available option that we can use. So let's go with what option that we have.
Based on given option, there are two options available. One, the contractor continue the work and issue a notice of regarding to remedy the payment, and also the contractor allowed to suspend the work under the clause 50. However, this option carry high financial risk as the contractor still needs to maintain insurance, performance bonds, and other obligations under this contract. Next is the option 2, where the contractor allowed to proceed termination under clause 55 if the payment is not remedied.
So you must follow the proper contract procedure.
We choose option 2, contract termination.
Are you sure this will stop the project?
Yes, continuing without payment will only increase our losses.
This is a reasonable decision to protect the contractor financial position.
So the contractor choose option 2, which is terminate contract. So I will issue the writing notice under the clause 55, specifying the default and requirement payment. So you must follow the employer time to remedy the default.
And as mentioned in this contract between the client and the contractor, here where both of you agree that the remedy period is the 14 days. Is that correct? So make sure everything is documented properly, and you must make remedy the payment within the 14 days as agreed. If not, the contract will be terminated.
Boss, the notice period has ended. Still got no payment.
Alright, we will proceed with the termination.
Sure.
So the contractor has sent you the notice under the clause 55B to terminate the contract due to failure to remedy the default. So
We acknowledge the contractor decision.
Since the contract is already terminated, I will assist the superintendent officer in preparing the final valuation under clause 55C.
So both sides have agreed. So we will assist the value of completed work and material delivery to the site. Signed, the client should pay the contractor the value of the work carried out the date of completion. For the avoidance of doubt, the party hereby agree that the contractor should not be entitled to any other form of uses to reduce profit, MS, claim, and whatever contribution is correct.
Okay, we will process payment based on the final valuation made by quality surveyor.
We expect full payment for all completed works and materials as per
This case highlights the importance of the proper contract administrator under PWD 2038 Revision 2010, especially regarding interim payment. Termination was necessary to protect the contractor financial position and contractual right.